The best teas to regulate nerves and anxiety. Life can sometimes bring you down with difficulties, challenges, and tests. These cause nerves and anxiety, your body's reaction to stimuli that threatens the cells of your brain. While it's true that both stress and anxiety at controlled and moderate levels can help you face the difficulties of every day, when you exceed that is when a problem appears both for your body and your psychological balance. If you notice that you are losing control and certain symptoms like rapid heartbeat, dizziness, or indigestion have appeared, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. The help of a professional is usually necessary in these cases. Meanwhile, at home you can follow some simple remedies. Teas are one way that people find relief when they're experiencing moderate levels of stress and anxiety. 1. Hawthorn to calm nerves and anxiety. Hawthorn is a beneficial herb that regulates the blood pressure. It tells your body to relax, improves blood circulation, and optimizes the rhythm of your heart for your entire body. It's excellent when you're experiencing mild anxiety or on days when you're more nervous than usual. How should you take it? Natural experts will tell you that it's best to take it in a tincture. You can find this in herbalist shops and it's usually very effective. Dissolve 2 drops of hawthorn tincture in a cup of water or natural juice. Take 1 of these a day. 2. Lemon balm tea for better sleep. Lemon balm is one of the better known plants for its relaxing action and relief of moderate levels of stress, insomnia, or anxiety. In addition, lemon balm fights spasms, helping to alleviate muscle tension and reduce the nerves that can upset your stomach. How should you take it? You can drink 2 cups of lemon balm tea a day. One of them is especially helpful if taken before going to bed. 3. Basil for nervous stomach. If we were to suggest that you make a tea with basil every day to fight this problem, you might be surprised, since you likely only think of basil as an aromatic herb for cooking. But basil and its essential oil are actually very relaxing, helping to alleviate stomach pain and improve your digestion. Try making a basil tea after every meal. 4. Linden tea. Linden or basswood tea is a great way to relieve common nerves or moderate anxiety. It alleviates stress and upset stomach, promotes relaxation, relieves headaches, has a pleasant flavor, and helps restore your respiratory health. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.